Alright folks, let's talk crypto. It's the digital gold rush that's got everyone talking, from your tech-savvy nephew to your grandma who still thinks Bitcoin is a type of birdseed. But can this virtual money really replace good old-fashioned savings? Well, the reality is a little more complicated than a simple yes or no. Sure, crypto enthusiasts will tell you it's the future of finance, a decentralized utopia free from the shackles of big banks. And hey, some people have made a killing off of it. But let's not forget the flip side. The wild volatility, the scams, the fact that you can lose your life savings thanks to a misplaced password. In America, despite the hype, only a tiny fraction of households are actually using crypto. Most people are still wary, and who can blame them? It's like trying to explain the internet to your cat. They might bat at it curiously, but they're not quite ready to give up catnip just yet. Now let's talk about staking, because who doesn't love free money? Imagine earning interest on your crypto, just like a savings account, but potentially way more lucrative. That's the basic idea behind staking, which involves holding certain cryptocurrencies to support the network and earn rewards. It's like parking your money in a high-yield savings account, except the bank is a decentralized network of computers, and the interest rates can fluctuate more than a teenager's mood swings. But hey, high risk, high reward, right? But before you go all in, remember that staking isn't without its downsides. Crypto markets are notoriously volatile, meaning your staked assets could plummet in value faster than you can say rug pull. Plus, there's always the risk of scams and technical glitches that could leave you with nothing but a digital sob story. Now let's talk about something near and dear to everyone's hearts: retirement. Picture this. You're sipping margaritas on a beach. Your biggest worry is whether to reapply sunscreen or order another round. Sounds nice, right? Well, some folks think crypto is the key to unlocking this blissful retirement dream. The idea is that by diversifying your retirement portfolio with crypto, you can potentially supercharge your returns and retire early enough to actually enjoy it. But hold your horses, cowboy. Before you go all in on Bitcoin for your golden years, there are a few things to consider. First off, crypto is incredibly volatile. Remember the dot-com bubble? Imagine that, but with even more memes and laser eyes. Investing your retirement savings in such a volatile asset class is like playing Russian roulette with your future financial security. Section 4. Digital dollars or speculative gamble. Is crypto really money? Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: money. Is crypto actually money, or is it just a bunch of digital tokens that people are pretending have value? It's a question that sparked more debates than a family Thanksgiving dinner with a vegan guest. On the one hand, crypto has some of the characteristics of money. It can be used as a medium of exchange, albeit a limited one, with some businesses accepting it as payment. But on the other hand, it's also incredibly volatile, making it a terrible store of value. Imagine trying to buy groceries with Bitcoin, only to find out that the price of bread has suddenly skyrocketed to $10,000 because Elon Musk tweeted about sandwiches. The truth is, crypto is still in its awkward teenage years. It's trying to figure out what it wants to be when it grows up. Will it become a widely accepted form of digital cash, or will it remain the domain of speculators and tech enthusiasts? Section 5. Beyond Bitcoin, crypto's global impact and the future of finance. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Crypto isn't just about making a quick buck. It's also having a real impact on people's lives around the world, especially in countries with unstable economies or limited access to traditional banking services. In places like Venezuela, where hyperinflation has made their currency about as valuable as a used napkin, people are turning to crypto as a lifeline. It's a way to store their savings, send money across borders, and even access basic financial services. So, while we're busy debating whether Bitcoin will replace the dollar, crypto is already changing the game for millions of people who need it most. Section 6. So, should you ditch your savings account for Bitcoin? So, we've reached the million-dollar question, or should I say the million Bitcoin question. Should you ditch your boring old savings account and go all in on crypto? The answer, my friends, is not so simple. Crypto can be a high-risk, high-reward investment, but it's not for the faint of heart. It's like riding a roller coaster. It can be exhilarating and potentially profitable, but it can also make you want to puke your guts out. If you're considering dipping your toes into the crypto waters, do your research, start small, and be prepared to lose everything. And remember, if someone promises you guaranteed returns, they're probably trying to scam you. Because in the wild west of crypto, there are plenty of snake oil salesmen looking to take your money and run.